Tsingtao Brewery, one of China's biggest beer makers, has reportedly opened an investigation after a video appearing to show a factory employee urinating on raw ingredients went viral.
중국 최대 맥주 제조회사 중 하나인 칭따오 맥주 공장에서 한 직원이 맥주 원재료에 소변을 보는 것 같은 영상이 확산하면서 업체 측이 조사에 들어간 것으로 알려졌습니다. Tell us what happened.
Yes, well, the video clip purportedly shows a male worker at a Tsingtao Brewery warehouse. He goes up into a high-walled container and then relieving himself onto the contents. So it's not a very pleasant scene.
I watched the video.
Yeah.
It's a bit grainy, but I think you can tell what he's doing.
Yes, exactly. And definitely it does look like he is urinating.
So then the question
Yes.
is this going to affect the beer here in Korea?
That's right. However, production is done separately for Tsingtao breweries for Korean beer and the one in China. So
right.
we're keeping our fingers crossed that it doesn't affect the products sold in Korea. So the footage really circulated widely on Chinese social media, and it was racking up tens of millions of views on a very popular platform. So as a result, people were calling on the police to really investigate into this.
Yeah.
And as a result, the police have definitely opened up an investigation. And they have really said that the batch of malt in question has been completely sealed, and they are looking into it.
Exactly. So it's not going to affect Tsingtao beer in Korea.
Yes.
Because they have separate factories for domestic beer and exports.
That's right.
내수용과 수출용이 완전히 공장이 다르기 때문에 이제 사실상 한국으로 오는 중국의 입장에서는 수출용 칭따오 비어에는 아무 영향을 주지 않는다라고 발표를 했습니다. 그리고 해당 공장은 일단은 문을 닫고 조사에 들어갔다고는 하지만 어쨌든 이 영상이 돌면서 상당히 많은 원성을 일고 중국 내에서도 많은 사람들이 아니 어떻게 이럴 수 있느냐라는 얘기를 한 것이죠. 표현 보겠습니다. To open an investigation.
Yes, I love this expression because
Do you?
it actually, you can actually see someone open up a door to a very, a dark lit room.
Yeah.
And then having some people kind of look up to a police officer or something and starting an investigation. So for me, it's kind of visual how someone might start an investigation. So of course, it's not literally opening a door, but it's actually, for me, it's very literal because it signals a start to an investigation. So you're actually starting up an investigation or opening the doors to an investigation.
그래요. 보통 이제 조사에 착수하다라고 할 때 open an investigation이라고 합니다. And raw ingredients?
Raw ingredients is used to say that these are some of the materials that are used to create a final product, but they haven't been treated yet.
원재료를 말하고 있는 거죠. So this factory in question was where they had all these raw ingredients that would later go into the beer.
Yes.
But apparently it was just for the domestic beer
Yes.
production. Still, nonetheless, in China, people are very angry about this.
Yeah.
So an investigation has opened and it's underway. 다시 읽어보겠습니다. Tsingtao Brewery, one of China's biggest beer makers, has reportedly opened an investigation after a video appearing to show a factory employee urinating on raw ingredients went viral. 자, 다음 헤드라인 가볼까요?